down like it ain't nobody business.
Now where I've tightened everything and we've welded the rear diff mount in. This is chromoly, and before, like we said before, we weld everything now. Like, yes, there's an option to bolt it in, but we don't recommend bolting in. It's just, you know, I don't know, I guess like to make it easier for some people. But yes, we weld everything. We recommend welding everything. So we welded here, we welded tabs up here on both sides, on this side and this side, to be as structurally strong as possible. Yes, this is screwed in on this side, and then if you come over here on the diff side, we have the this is a chromoly bar welded, and like it still has the holes that, yeah, you could riv knot it or do whatever, but we don't recommend it. We recommend welding it in. And then we have the upper support bar for flex, because these are known to basically on torque, when this torques it pushes up, so these are, some of them are known to bend up. So this is what we use to utilize the for stabilization of the bar. These are just bolted in because it looks better on the inside. This can also be welded as well. You don't have to weld these. You actually use the bolts because it just makes everything look cleaner on the inside. But this is basically ready for paint now. We just paint it all up so it doesn't get any surface rust. Yeah, this is all welded here. This is all the bracing we talked about before. All the bracing here to reinforce this part that usually flexes when people don't, when people just cut them out and don't re-brace them. It's missing obviously just one of the axles I have in right now. We're gonna put the other axle on the drive shaft in, and this thing's good to go.
Yep, waiting for the drive shaft. Sweet. They're talking about you.
I'm just taking a break, and they're over there. Literally, I can hear them talking about me while I'm taking a break.
Oh. You guys gonna see her, huh?
What are you, an owl now? Woo!
So, this is the problem that we have, okay? We don't break chain, okay? She's the big boss.
Yep.
Okay? We have a boss that's under her. She can't just come talk to me. I'm the employee.
Yeah.
She has to talk to my boss. My boss talks to me.
Yep.
If I want to talk to her, I can't just go talk to her. I got to go through my boss.
Yep.
Okay, so.
And where's your boss?
Chain of command.
Not here, so
you're not here today, so.
You can't yell at me.
Then you know what? I'm telling y'all two to get your asses up and go help my buddy Luis with his antique bus, because he's stuck on the bridge and he needs a fuel pump.
You stuck on the bridge?
Mm-hmm.
Damn it. Okay.
Time
We out.
for the rescue.
Rescue mission
101.
101. Our VW bus is down, so we're on the rescue mission on the bridge. Where's on the Gulf Bridge or Veterans or some big bridge?
I don't know. Hey, if you want to know why your car smells like gas,
This is why. We at a spot. He got his chair out and everything.
damn, dude, he didn't even make it to the other
Oh
side.
man, he was like, he invites me off. Oh everybody, he was ragging on me today. He was gonna put. But here we go. What happened, man? There's a bump out. We're gonna get this thing up and running. You guys seen this bus earlier. It was running, but not right now.
Uncle Lewis ran out of gas.
Uncle Lewis ran out of gas. He didn't even have a chair. Look, get the chair. He was out here like.
I know. Hey, I know what we get Uncle Lewis for his birthday. A gas can.
A gas can.
Oh, there's gas in there already?
There should be gas in there. only put gas there a couple of days ago.
We're running rich. See if it turns on. Go ahead.
It's not coming out, right?
Anybody want a bus for sale? Bus for sale.
You should have sell it. Alright, we got gear head. Hold up.
Outside the road right now.
It's in a, what year bus? 19 what?
60... 62, 64? I don't know.
4 bus.
64, yeah.
We got a Holly blue out there. Let me see if I can get a Holly red.
Hey, what's the difference between the blue, red, and all that?
Fuel pressure.
Okay, that's what I was figuring.
If the Holly red is only 7 psi, the
Yeah,
blue
okay, that's
is 12. The blue needs a regular. Take care.
Thanks, brother.
Have a good one.
I'll grab this one.
You guys over?
Louis will come and rescue you. You need to put one of these in your car, bro.
What? Huh? Yeah, get it. Back it up. There you go. You're getting fuel pressure.
Let's go,
Mr.
man.
Lewis. I'll see you. Drive safe.
Damn. We out. There you guys have it. Draft shafts in. You guys can see everything looks nice. This is how we did it right there in the center. Another one down.
Hey Chad, we did
What's up, bro?
Yes, sir.
What's up, man?
What's up?
I need everybody's Instagram.
Was the suit so thin? So we did it on this plate here, and then we welded the bolt onto this plate. So
Like a low rider.
Nice. Like it, Andy?
What's up?
You like it?
Of course.
Just the way you wanted it, or what? Came out good.
look how close it is. It's close.
Yeah.
Right. With this.
This guy's the fastest car in Clearwater, Pinellas County.
Hold on.
No, what's this? What's going on with this?
Justin loves you.
What's going on with that?
There you have it, folks. See it? Everything's in. Oh, sorry.
Hey, let's do it. Remember how Jay did it?
Yeah, Jay, I was there. You guys can do one. Oh, what the?
Wait, let me see it.
As you guys can see, it already has everything. We're gonna be, you know, painting this, cleaning it up and all that stuff. We already have everything on it. You guys saw last time. You happy now? You happy? You happy now? Yeah. There it is. It's up in there.
Oh, they drilled the hole already?
Yeah, everything is in there already. From last time. The whole rear, everything's ready to go. Jay's cleaning up so we can put the support bar. This thing. It's coming together. Right? Right? Getting that DA upper bar ready.
Yep. Well, getting ready to pin and weld. This is all 8mm CRV element diff. They're both the same, but yeah, there's 8mm here, and then there's 4 longer 8mm. So there's 8, and there's 8mm in total. 4 long and 4 short. And then you take here this 1 3/8. This is sitting up here, but this is 1 3/8. And then you would basically take this off first. There's a little washer, and then there's this white ring, and then there's a rubber O-ring. So basically, that's the order it would come out. So the order would go back in. So just do it backwards really fast. It would just be like this O-ring, this plastic, basically like a dust shield for the O-ring, and then you would put the big metal washer, and then the nut. But that's, yeah, you can finagle these out with a hammer sometimes, but we use this, which is a pulley puller.
Pulley puller. Oh, sometimes we just use JD's muscle.
Yeah. And then this comes out, and then now you have to crack the case open. There's these like spots where there's 2 ribs on the thing, and you can just kind of like pry, you hear it, popped up. And then there's another spot, you see how there's like the 2, just enough for like a screwdriver pop, and you hear it pop, and bam. This is the part that gets pinned and welded right here, this basket. So this basket, I'm gonna try to take it off in one piece. So you just put your if you don't put your fingers under there, this is gonna happen.
Everything's coming up.
Yeah, everything's gonna come up. So you jiggle it back down.
Yeah.
And then just kind of put your finger up there.
Take everything off.
Take everything in one shot. See? Because the basket stayed. Like, you could take this apart, look at it on the inside, blah blah blah. But we really don't care if we're gonna pin and weld it. It stays just like this. So now what we do is we take, this is the part that gets pin and welded. So what we do is we put clamps here, and then we start drilling.
JD's on my phone. First hole going in there, we're going to drop 2 in there.
Look at that muscle. Look at the vein just popping.
I'm making sure he doesn't do it crooked and ruin this entire thing. That's okay,
we got a second hole in there. JD's doing good. After we finish drilling it, this is what we do. We take it out, clean it up, then repack it.
I'm not cleaning it yet though. So.
Make sure there's no bits and pieces.
I'm gonna run the drill bit through this. So we drilled a 1/4-inch hole on both sides of this, and this is 1/4-inch rod, and it pretty much fits in here. It's really, really tight to squeeze all the way down, but I'm just gonna measure it from the side and cut it, and then we're gonna hit the 1/4-inch rod through with the hammer and tack weld both sides. So we'll tack the top, tack the bottom, and then we'll probably put some tacks over here on this plate so the plate can't move either.
And that's it.
Okay. So we did the 2 pinning.
Yeah.
We drilled the hole all the way through. We put the pin through it so it locks everything. And then now I'm doing just welding this pin so it doesn't come out. That's it. And then we roll this plate on together. So
And put it back in.
that's it.
There you have it, folks. That's how you pin and weld.
So now you see it's all welded and all that. So now we put it back in here. There you go. So now it acts just like a diff. See?
Yep. Nice. There it is.
There you go.
Then there's the 2 seals.
Yeah.
It all goes on top?
It goes on top.
All right. The upper support bar for the diff is in, plus the 2 tabs to keep it from flexing up. Looking sprayed up back there, you can see. Of course, this diff is just our mock-up diff that we use on cars, just to make sure everything's in there. We're gonna put the pin and welded diff in there, and that's a wrap for today. Next video is gonna be the next step. Put the arms on and everything, and it's gonna be a good car too, man. The DIA community, right? Good car. You guys keep following us, subscribe please, and stay tuned.
But we all will drive the world. I see them changing the game. That's when always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all will indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation. Watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in the Civic.